Hey, I'm Adam Jusko, and this is Adam Answers, where we answer the burning and not so burning questions of the day. In this video, do the Amish pay taxes? That's what we're going to cover. But first, if you end up liking the video, hit that like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Okay, so do the Amish pay taxes? The short answer is yes. But they don't necessarily pay all the same taxes that us non-Amish people do. The Amish pay income taxes on their wages. They pay sales tax on the things they buy. They pay property taxes on the property they own. To some extent, you could even say that they are paying taxes on things they don't really use for the most part, such as public schools. Now, there is one big exception, and that is the Amish do not pay Social Security taxes. They do not pay Medicare taxes. The Amish are religiously opposed to commercial insurance, and Social Security and Medicare are sort of a government-sponsored form of insurance, and so they do not pay those particular taxes. Now, on the other side of that coin, they don't get those benefits from the taxes either. So they're not going to get Social Security when they're older. They are not going to get Medicare health insurance when they're older either. The Amish believe that the family, the church, the community are responsible for those things that Social Security and Medicare pay for. And so when someone is older, if they have monetary needs, if they have health care needs, that is covered by the Amish families and community. And so it is sort of a form of self-insurance. It gets paid for completely within the community. They do not draw on any benefits from outside of the community to pay for those things. Now, if by chance you are thinking to yourself, I don't like to pay Social Security taxes, I don't like to pay Medicare taxes, I'm going to tell the IRS that I am Amish and that I want to be exempt. Well, it is not quite that easy. You do have to fill out a form and get approval from the IRS in order to be exempt from those taxes. So not only do you have to claim that you are Amish, you have to have a representative from the Amish community also say that you are Amish. And then I assume there's some sort of follow-up to try to make sure that your claim is valid. I don't know exactly what that is, but before you can get approved, you have to assume that the IRS is going to do some legwork to try and figure out if you actually deserve that exemption. One other interesting side note here is that if you are someone that is Amish and you work for someone that is not Amish, you lose that exemption. So you either have to be self-employed or you have to be employed by someone else who is Amish and who has that exemption in order to keep the exemption from Social Security taxes and Medicare taxes. Also, on the flip side of that, if you are an Amish business owner and you employ somebody who is not Amish, you still have to collect the taxes for Social Security and Medicare from that employee. So they do not become exempt even if you are exempt. So that's pretty much it. Bottom line, yes, the Amish do pay most of the taxes that we do, income taxes, sales taxes, property taxes, but they are exempt from those government-sponsored insurance programs, Social Security, and Medicare. Questions, comments, put them in the comments section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, all that kind of good stuff, and we'll talk to you again soon.